What's going on, guys? Steven here from Trailbenders Overland. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install your Chassis Unlimited winch bumper on your 2009 to 2012 Ram 1500. Now, we've already been working on the truck today, so that's why we're already dirty. We already removed the front bumper, and now we're just going to get into the unboxing and put this thing together. Let's get started.
We removed the stock bumper just after Halloween, so don't be alarmed. To do this, you need to remove the 4 bolts holding the grill on, unplug the fog lights, and remove their wiring harness from the stock bumper. Then it's just 8 bolts, and the bumper comes right off.
This bad boy's heavy. What's in the box, Dylan? All right, so now it's time to unbox this thing, get it all spread out, and put it together. Dude, this looks so good. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look how good this looks. They didn't come with instructions, so it must be straightforward. So this looks like it's gonna be the right side. Oh, look how easy this is gonna go on.
Just as we thought this install would be quick and easy, we discovered a huge issue with the truck. The front frame horn was bent outward and the new bumper wouldn't go on. With the help of my all-knowing dad and the use of some ingenuity, we were able to straighten the frame back to its original position. It was undisclosed at the time of purchase that this truck was in a massive front-end collision, but we made it work. After fixing the frame and test fitting the bumper, it was time to drill the holes for the Baja LP9 mounts.
That's halfway through. Hold on. Did I?
Come here. Yes. Is that not the prettiest girl you ever saw, huh? Alright. Oh.
After feeling like this job simply was not doable, we were finally back on track, and the install was as simple as it gets. The 2 sides of the bumper bolt right together, and the bumper goes on with 6 bolts to the frame. It's also worth noting that this Chassis Unlimited bumper is nearly half the weight of the steel bumper we took off the truck. So aside from its good looks, that is an obvious +1 for this bumper. We used a jack to help level the bumper a tad after loosely bolting it on. It was a little tricky getting the winch in, but with a little jiggle, it installed without a problem. The bumper has 4 holes specific for the winch mounting bolts. We installed the LP9s, then rewound the winch cable as it was coming off the bottom of the winch, and we needed it coming off the top to make sure it came through the fairlead straight.
Alright guys, and that is how you install your Chassis Unlimited winch bumper on your 2009 to 2012 Ram 1500. If you guys have any questions, hit the comment section down below. If you like this video, hit the like button. Consider being a part of the Bender fam by subscribing to our YouTube channel and hitting the notification bell so you're notified when we release new content. Also, we have an online store. Be sure to check out trailbendersoverland.com for awesome merch and some TBO products that we carry. And that's a wrap for this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I wish I knew where these extra parts went. Yo, Dylan, you need some extra bolts?